Make Me Better presents Ways to Make Yourself Happier. We only get one life. We should try to make it as happy as possible. But how can we become happier? We often let others dictate how we live and what we do. When you stop caring about what others say or do, you can listen to yourself, pursue what you want, and do what truly makes you happy. The first step is to allow yourself to do what you want. Next, consider whether you are giving yourself time to pursue what makes you happy. If you love something, is it truly a part of your life? Schedule time just for the things that make you happy, that you truly want to do. It's easy to let ourselves be caught in a stream of responsibilities, but making time for what truly matters is an important way of taking care of our well-being. Whether it's a hobby, or a person, or a place, give it the time it deserves. Others might not understand, they might not approve, but it doesn't matter. If you stop seeking approval from others, you can focus on what is actually important. We live in a world that constantly pushes certain ideas and values. It can be hard to tell whether you actually want something or if you have to want it. Clear your mind and declutter your inner self. Get rid of stresses and limiting beliefs that are hurting you. You don't need to keep anything that is making you unhappy. Letting go of past mistakes is a good way of decluttering your mind. They tend to stick like thorns and drain your energy and focus away from what matters. They can hold you back from experiencing happiness. The best way to work through past mistakes is to forgive yourself. Recognize what happened and that it is no longer occurring. Give yourself permission to move on. You have the right to be happy. You might need to be proactive about it. However, don't expect happiness to just arrive. Instead, take action and pursue it. You can choose to become happier. The present moment is filled with joy and happiness. If you are attentive, you will see it. Found this video motivating? Like the video and share it with others. For more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Till then, keep watching and keep learning.